everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create Agile contact from Google Ads. So here I am running Google Ads, and in this case I want whenever a new lead is received in my Google Ad, automatically a new contact should be created in my Agile account. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Google Ads and our action application will be Agile. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create an Agile contact from Google Ads. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow window, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as create Agile contact from Google Ads. And now I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. Now to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this button. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Ads and my trigger event as new lead form entry. And here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we will use this webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Google Ads. From here I'm going to create a new lead form. Moving little down, here I'm going to select the form fields, name. For name, I'm going to select first name and last name, and then phone number and email. You can select the fields as per your needs. Moving down, here you can see a lead delivery option. In this, you can see we have got a field for webhook URL. So moving back to Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste in my Google Ad window. After pasting the webhook URL, here it is asking for a key. So here I'm going to enter some random key. And now I'm going to click on the send test data. And here you can see as the test data is sent. So now moving back to Pabbly. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received email, phone number, first name and last name. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Agile and my action event as create contact. And now to connect my Agile account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Agile account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Now here it is asking for API key. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Agile account. From here, I'm going to click on the settings. And from here, I'm going to click on API settings. And here I'm going to reset the API key. After clicking on reset, here I'm going to copy the API key. Moving back to Pabbly, entering the API key. Now after entering the API key, I'm going to click on this save. Moving forward, here it is asking for first name, last name, email, phone number. So now here instead of entering data manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our Google Ads. So here I'm going to search for the first name. So as we did a test data in Google Ads, so here we have received first name value as first name and same for the last name. Here we have received the last name value as last name. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the email and a phone number. Here I have done mapping the data. Moving forward, these fields are not required fields, so here I am going to leave them blank. If you want to enter any of the details, you can do it as per your needs. Now moving forward, here I am going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully received the response. So let's go and check our Agile account. In our Agile account, we need to click on the CRM and from here we have to select contacts. And from here you can see we have created a new contact with first name, last name, email as test@example.com. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Ads and our action as Agile, so that whenever a new lead form entry is made in my Google Ad, automatically a new contact should be created in my Agile account. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.